Hello there. In this video, we will show you how you can update your website tap to call phone number. First, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel, then visit Appearance and Customize. From here, click Site Info, then click Contact Text, and here first you need to enable the contact info, that is your tap to call phone number. Then use the above code as an example. First you need to put your phone number here, and as you see, there is no space or anything between the numbers, and then again your phone number, but it may contain a space or dashes as you find suitable for your need. And once you're done, make changes here. Just click the publish button. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, as we will add videos that will help you to boost your site speed, security, and make more sales from your website. See you in next video.